All right. I'll take them on up in there. Go on, Chip. Good boy. It's kind of a tight area. And then Dana's going to measure him. He is coming due for a trim.
Where? Where? Want to come in front of me so you can see it?
Okay. Well, we'll mark the stick and then we'll just bring it on over.
Sticking.
Your stick sticking?
The stick is sticking. Everything's cold. Oh my gosh, move.
Well, it's kind of hard to do with one hand.
I'm just trying to get a level. Can you see it?
Just bring it, just let it go.
Oh.
Now bring it up. We'll show the measurement.
Well, it moved then.
All right, well, what did you get? You know,
Just under 37.
okay. How bud?
There's 6 3/4. Can you see it?
Okay, I'll come up.
I'm not even moving anymore.
Well, he's under 37. Stop, he's tickling me.
There. Now he's level.
All right, there we go. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but we can get him under 37, so. And that's it.